The hospital's a few blocks away. Rush. What the fuck is this? I've broken records for sprinting, and this thing is gaining on me? Now's my chance. Yeah. It survived getting hit by a truck? Shit! Maybe I can move the thing in here. Why won't you just die?
Able to quickly assess the situation, utilize the surroundings to his advantage, and deal a finishing blow against a far more powerful enemy. Magnificent.
What the fuck is this? It's turning into dust? Three?
Seems you have potential.
Who are you? What do you want?
I'm Cardner. You're coming with me to hell.
Hell. So these things are demons?
There's the hospital where Mom is. Luckily it didn't get destroyed by that explosion earlier. But these demons would never let me get there.
And if I refuse?
Then the Hellspawn will eat you alive.
Doesn't seem like I have any choice.
Come with me, or die. That's your choice.
Porter on Limbo.
What you're about to witness, few mortals have laid eyes upon.
What is this place?
There are 9 floors to hell. The first floor is lust, then gluttony, greed, sloth, wrath, envy, heresy, violence, and finally, treachery. This dimensional space, however, is a space between worlds. Limbo. You could consider it floor 0. This is where your real test begins.